Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed a rally in Muzaffarpur pledging NDA's commitment to boost education, healthcare and irrigation in Bihar. He emphasized efforts to curb migration by creating employment opportunities and ensuring inclusive development across the state. The Sakhi Gopal temple in Odisha will host the annual Radha Pada Darshan on Ona Navami tomorrow. Puri police issued a traffic advisory to manage the expected influx of devotees. The Odisha government signed an MOU with the Inland Waterways Authority of India, Paradip Port Authority and Mahanadi Coalfields Limited during India Maritime 2025 in Mumbai to jointly develop and operate two national waterways. Eminent poet and senior BJP leader Sankarshan Parida passed away today while undergoing treatment at AIIMS Bhubaneswar. Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi, Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and several other leaders expressed condolences over the demise of the BJP leader. To address the shortage of warders in Odisha's jails, the jail department will appoint home guards to fill vacant posts, ensuring smoother prison operations and improved security across correctional facilities. Adani Airport Holdings Limited has partnered with Ainos to enhance passenger support across its airports using AI. The collaboration will deploy IntelliMed, a multilingual, omni-channel platform offering real-time, personalized assistance and marking a major step in digital transformation. Cyclone Mantha, which had earlier intensified into a severe cyclonic storm, has now weakened into a well-marked low-pressure area. The system currently lies over East Vidarbha and adjoining South Chhattisgarh, moving north-northwestward. US President Donald Trump said that tariffs on China will be reduced to 47% from the current 57%. Trump, after his meeting with Chinese President Xi Jinping in the South Korean city of Busan, said that China will begin buying soybeans from the US immediately. President Donald Trump has announced that the US will start testing nuclear weapons immediately in a break from 33 years of the country's self-restraint. Shreyas Iyer expressed his gratitude to his well-wishers for their support during his recovery from a serious injury, sharing a message on social media. The Indian batter sustained an injury to his rib cage while executing a brilliant catch during the third ODI against Australia in Sydney.